Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. In this video, we are completely transforming this cluttered room into a simple but sophisticated, in my opinion, bedroom that is perfect for a teenager. So if you're looking for some ideas, stick around and see how this room gets completely made over. So I love room makeover, you guys, and I am just super excited that I can share some with you. This room was a complete mess, so we started by decluttering it first. I don't show it in this video because we want to keep it nice and short and tight, but if you're interested in decluttering videos, I will also link that here so that you can check out how I decluttered our last makeover room. But for this room, we just decluttered, and then in this video we are showing you how we actually chose to decorate. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please click on that thumbs up button, and if you like this type of content, which is cleaning and decorating and makeovers, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much. So this room makeover is actually for my stepson, who is 14 years old, turning 15. He wanted a brick wall in his room, so I thought I would do an accent wall with a peel and stick wallpaper. And so we got this red brick print wallpaper from our local home improvement store, and I think applying it was pretty easy and straightforward, except for around the window frame. Doing this one wall took me in total about 3 hours, so it is time consuming and you want to be patient with it, but I think it does turn out pretty nice in the end. We also wanted a desk and a bookshelf for this room, so I went on Facebook Marketplace. I was able to find this desk here for free, which was always nice, and then I just painted it. I also found a bookcase on Facebook Marketplace, which was actually in really good shape, but I wanted to paint it because it was just not matching the rest of the theme that we were going with for this room, which is light and airy, which is the vibe that I want for this entire house. So we chose a light gray color for painting the furniture for this room. Even though it looks kind of white on camera, it's actually a light gray color. This is what the desk looked like after 2 coats of paint, which I thought looked pretty decent. And then this is the bookcase that we also got from Facebook Marketplace, which is really nice and in good shape, but I wanted to just paint it so it would fit in with the rest of the furniture and the room. Now I'm just going to hang up some curtains and finish the decorating of the room. For this room, I had about 6 prints that I wanted to hang up. I got them from Amazon, which are related to gaming, which my stepson likes to do. So I'm just gonna hang them up. I'll put 2 here, and then I'll hang up the 4 separately together on the other wall, where I'll put a chair for him to sit in and hang out in whenever he's playing games in his room. You guys, time for the final reveal. But before we get to it, let me remind you what this room looked like before. That's it, you guys, for this room makeover transformation. I hope you enjoyed this process. Please hit the like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you do like this type of content, so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate you so much for watching this until the end, and I will see you next time. Bye.